he doing?
Putting
You
it on
trust
an
me?
angle.
No.
What?
It's gonna fall horizontal away from us, but then it'll be laying.
Just lay it flat.
Put it on like a rock or something that's not gonna fall away.
I like the way you think. Don't not tip it. Just tip it more securely.
Securely.
The thing is, it might fall over if it's like that.
Now,
See, I think it's gonna fall
that
that way, yeah.
Put a rock underneath the bottom part?
I don't know. Even if it's just more slight.
Yeah, that's good enough.
usually tip. Go like that, and then
You realize this has some force behind it, right?
Yep.
Oh, okay, I like that. It might tip over.
This should be good.
Whoa, dear.
Whoa! That was good.
here you go, Josiah.
Okay.
Cool.
Alright.
Okay, the last one, the big one.
Put it upside down.
Very funny.
I wasn't completely kidding.
Oh, you weren't?
Don't do that.
Boom, boom, boom. It's like hopping on all sides.
Woohoo! Finale!
Wow, it just went through 100 shots rather quick, didn't it?
That was amazing fast.
Look at all the sparks over there.
That's not sparks, that's burning paper.
Wow.
Isn't that what sparks are?
No. This is like actual burning pieces of tissue. From the